Yesterday I
Watch
made
this video.
$30,000 on a program. Literally in 12 hours I made 30 grand. That got you, didn't it? That fucking got you. See, that's the problem with these like marketing strategists and, you know, online coaches and all this shit is they say that, but they don't say the other stuff that I'm about to tell you. But I just want you guys to observe the sweatshirt. It says lovely AF and I spilled my coffee on it just now. Haven't even washed my face this morning. But I need to tell you guys this. That 12-hour launch that I did, it was a pre-launch for a year-long program with me. Opened it up for 48 hours and I actually sold out in 12. But what I want you to know is this. That 30 grand that I just made was years in the making. I literally did 927 videos here on TikTok for 12 months. I have been serving and giving value to my email list, to here on TikTok, to Instagram. I've had hundreds of one-on-one calls with entrepreneurs, CEOs, small business owners. So to the point where basically they were just waiting to pay me.